It is a fascinating observation that the ease in the preparation of a dish often makes the dish very tasty on our palates. We have learned how to prepare Mangalore or Konkani style Ambe curry. In this episode, let us learn to prepare delicious and most importantly simple Ambe Gojju or mango Gojju, which tastes amazing with chapatis, as well as to savor it just like that. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first step in the process is to smash few ingredients. So here we are adding 3 green chillies to a wooden mortar. After the spice of the green chillies, the next in the list is 5 grams or a small piece of jaggery. Then to enhance the flavors, let us add a small piece of asafoetida. Next in the list is our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add a little salt and smash all of these thoroughly. Once we have a coarse paste of all these ingredients, the next in the list is half a cup or 40 grams of grated coconut. For all these ingredients to get along, let us smash it again and add a little bit of water. The next step in the preparation of Ambe Gojju is a tempering. So here we are heating about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in a tempering pan. Once the oil is hot, let us add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard starts to splutter, the next in the list is 4 chopped dry red chillies. Final addition for our tempering is a fistful of curry leaves. Let us add curry leaves and roast them till they turn crunchy. And when they turn crispy and crunchy, all we need to do is to add it to our smashed ingredients. It is time to gently smash the dry red chillies in the tempering for it to release its flavors. Once we have done this, all we need to do is add mangoes. Here we are adding 400 grams of 2 different types of diced mangoes. And the final step is obviously to bring this all together by mixing it thoroughly. This is it, my dear friends. A simple, easy, tasty and a dish that can be prepared very quickly. Ambe Gojju is ready. If you liked this recipe, do like the video and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking and have fun wherever you are.